Hey, it's Sam here, and welcome to this demo of Sqribble. It's a new cloud-based software that lets you create ebooks easily. Now, some of the advantages of this is it's got done-for-you templates already done, so it makes it simple to be able to build up books without any design skills. However, you do need to format it a little bit, and we'll take a look at some of the process on how you can do this today. So this is the dashboard, okay? As you can see, it's loading up tons of templates, so I'm just scrolling down and you can see there's lots and lots and lots to choose from. It is quite simple to be able to go and find one. You can just do it by checking it out. You can search it, or you can identify it by the category. Now you can view it in advance, so if we click view, it'll bring up a little preview. If my internet decides to work, looks like it's loading a bit slow here. So we've got a cover page, it's got table of content, and it has the written content. Now the beauty about this is it actually formats a lot of it for you. However, I found by testing it, you do have to go about editing some of it yourself as well. So I'm going to call this one the Sam demo for the ebook. I'm going to click next. Now you can see we've got a number of different options to be able to create this ebook. Now keep in mind this comes with a full commercial license, agency license as well, or agency kit. So you can actually sell this as a service to people who might want to create reports, create ebooks. You can use it to create reports to do your own lead generation campaigns as well. And also you can sell it as a service, say for example on Fiverr. Okay, so let's take a look at how easy it is to create it. You can create it from a URL. You can start from scratch. So you can open the content with dummy content in it, so you can copy and paste the content as you want to put it in. You can copy and paste the content manually, so wherever you want in the fields. You can upload a Word file, or you can start from the article collection. Now the article collection is a number of standard articles that give you the text that you can use. Let's go the URL one, as this is probably the one a lot of people want to see how it works. So I found a URL about getting started with email marketing. So I'm going to copy this, I'm going to put this in, and I'm going to paste it and click finish. Now this is going to prepare the content for me. So here it is loaded up. As you can see, it does still require a lot of formatting. Okay, so we could change, we could go about changing text sizes. We can go about, so if we click settings here on the left, we can see the font size is defaulted to 145. So if we make that, let's just say 60 for example, and then we can go about, whoops, we dragged and dropped it. We can go about deleting the text that we don't need. Okay, so now it fits in a lot better than what we had. This is restricted to like how blocks sort of work, if that makes sense, like in terms of the columns. It doesn't seem to be a full true drag and drop system, so it is sort of, I guess that's a way of it keeping its formatting. However, what I do like is it has taken the content and it's created a table of contents based on what is on this here. However, you are going to have to go about editing out what you don't need and don't need, like browse by. This is not going to make any sense. So if I delete this row, we get rid of it. Okay, so it still takes a lot of formatting, but it is a good way to be able to get a lot of the content together. As you can see, it's even taken the image. So the cheat sheet, if we go down, it's got the text that's formatted, bolds and things already. It's got some of the other images relating to the content. However, it's still going to require a bit of a tidy up. So it basically is a design software that does half the work for you, but you will still have to do a little bit of it for yourself as well. Now the thing is this can speed up the process to be able to create it. It also means you don't have to have like Adobe InDesign, which costs money, or other sort of design softwares as well, or even hire a designer if you're looking to give this a go yourself. Once you've got all of this, you can publish it, export it as a PDF or whatever you need it to do, and go from there. There's a number of different design functions up on the left here. As you can see, different color schemes, different elements you can add in as you go through. Well, actually this is the elements of it, so you can go through and delete and find whatever you need too. So it is simple but useful at the same time. Is one way to put it. So if you are looking to generate ebooks quickly and easily and be able to edit them in quite a fast manner, but still is going to require editing, I recommend you check this out. However, if you already have software that does this, I can't really find something that's really stands out in terms of this. The main thing is probably the fact that it pre-formats the content and is able to pull from a URL. However, for a lot of you people that are already design focused, that will be easy for you to be able to create this sort of stuff from scratch as well. You are able to create these ebooks from scratch within this too, and it is the recommended way because it fits within this, but then again it is just as time consuming as using any sort of design software, so it is very honed into just creating ebooks for people who want to create that. So if that's you, I suggest you check it out in more detail down below on the bonus page.